Good morning. Welcome to your 10-minute yoga flow. Today we'll begin in Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2 legs. So pivot your back heel down. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, lower them back down. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, get down with the hips. So you're pulling the palms up, revolving the palms up to face the sky, and then releasing the arms back down. On the inhalation, straighten the front leg a little, and on the exhalation, get down deep with the hips. Engage the low belly, and relaxing, releasing, letting go here. Then bring your toes to face straight towards the long edge of the mat. Release your hands down towards your left leg, sweep them to the right leg, and then come all the way back up. Other side. Bring the hands down towards your right leg, sweep your hands towards your left leg, back to the right along the floor, and all the way back up. Once again, sweeping down towards your left leg, over to your right, back to your left, and straight up to the sky, waking up the spine, bringing your hands down towards the right leg, sweep to the left, back to the right, lift straight back up. Beautiful. Release the arms down to your sides. Now bring your toes out, your heels in, and make sure your knees don't go past your ankles. Very important. Protect your knees here. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. And exhale, bring the energy down the vertical columns. Sit down deep. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, bring your palms down the central channel of your body. Inhale, press into the feet, straighten the legs, lift the arms. Exhale, get down deep with the hips. Do this to the level of your own ability and your own desire this morning. You may only want to plie down a little bit, and that's fine. Now swirl the energy deep, back and forth. Pull and stretch up through your left arm, bent to the right. Inhale down, and exhale, bending over to your left. Switching sides, bending down deep, and then stretch and lean towards your right. Get down deep with the hips, squat back, exhale, lean over to the left. A few more times here. Waking up the side body, which elevates our mood and gives us a great start to the day. Hands to the heart, coming into Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana, 2 legs on the other side. Shoulders stay over the hips, straighten your back leg. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, get down with the hips. So pull the energy up. Press your palms up to the sky. Exhale, release, and get down deep with the hips. A few more times here. Moving in the rhythm of your breath. These round circular movements are so healing and wake up the energy in the fascia throughout the upper body as we strengthen our legs. Now swirl the energy down around the hips. Bring your toes to face outward, your heels in. Plie down deep. And now bring your right shoulder forward, look over and back behind you. Press into the inner thigh with your hand, and then other side, opening up the shoulders, releasing tension in the neck and shoulder area here. Sit down deep, look down, inhale, bring the feet closer together, and then step forward to the top of the mat, Tadasana. Come up on your right toes, or pull the right knee in towards your chest. Lengthen your tailbone down, pull your low abs in, relax your shoulders away from your ears here. Stay here, or grab your big toe with your fingers. Stay here, begin to straighten the leg a little bit or a lot. This is also a function of how long your arms and legs are in proportion to one another. So wherever you are is beautiful. If you're straightening the leg, lower your right hip to bring it more in line with the left. Relax your shoulder, right shoulder away from your ear, and releasing the pose. Begin to circle the hips round to the left first in a counterclockwise position or rotation. And then the other direction, moving in a clockwise direction with the hips. Taking an opportunity to feel so proud of yourself for waking up and moving this morning. Come up on the left toes, hands to heart. Stay here, pull the knee in towards the chest. This is beautiful and so healing. Working on your balance, if you want to come deeper, grab the big toe. This is already enough. If you want to go more, start to straighten the leg or all the way out. Lower your left hip in line with the right. Relax your left shoulder from the ear. Find one point to look at that isn't moving. Release the pose, foot to the floor. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up, lift your heart. Exhale the hands down to heart. And then inhale, sweep the arms forward and up. So we're moving here in the rhythm of your breath. Inhale, round the spine, rise up. Exhale, float the arms down, sit down, deep, deep squat. We're waking up the spine here. Waking up the legs, finding strength in the lower body and ease in the upper body. Inhale, straighten the legs, lift the arms straight up. Exhale, fold forward over your legs. Fingertips to the earth, you can bend your knees a lot. Grab opposite elbows and hang here. This can feel so good first thing in the morning. Cascading forward, begin to sway left to right. Perhaps bringing more and more the elbow towards the opposite corners of the mat. So left elbow towards the right. Inhale, lengthen the spine, fingertips up to the thighs. Exhale, fold. Now sit down all the way deep. Straighten your left leg, pull your right foot to the inside of your left thigh and fold forward, Janusirsasana. Every inhalation, find length, and every exhalation, fold deeper. Then grab onto the outside of the left calf or the left foot and pull the right elbow towards the right. Opening up the right side body as you open up the left hamstring, the back of the left leg. Then stretch at a diagonal towards the left corner of the mat. Bring your foot to the outside of the left leg, flex your toes towards you, and hug your knee in towards your chest with your left arm. Lengthen your spine up to the crown of your head, and then twist from the navel center. Straighten your right leg out, other side, inhale up. Exhale, fold forward, Janusirsasana. The left sole of the foot is pressed in towards the right thigh. Every inhalation, lengthen the spine. And every exhalation, fold a little deeper. Then bring your left hand to the outside of the calf or the foot. Pull your left elbow towards the left, opening up the left side of the body. Coming up, bring your foot to the outside of the right leg, hugging your left knee in towards your chest. Bring your left fingertips to the mat. Lengthen your spine, sit up a little taller, and then twist from your belly. Remembering you are enough and you are lovable just as you are. Wishing you such a beautiful day today. From my heart, sending you so much love. Namaste.